Unlocking the power of content marketing for income. Content marketing is a comprehensive marketing strategy that focuses on creating, distributing, and promoting valuable and relevant content to attract and engage a target audience. The ultimate goal is to drive profitable customer action, which can lead to income generation through various methods. Before we begin, make sure to smash that like button and hit the subscribe for more exciting content. Understanding content marketing. Content marketing is a strategic approach focused on creating valuable, relevant content to attract and engage a target audience. Unlike traditional marketing, which aims to sell directly, content marketing builds relationships and trust, leading to increased conversions over time. This technique leverages various formats, blogs, videos, infographics, and social media, to disseminate content that meets the audience's needs and preferences. Ultimately, this approach transforms customers into brand advocates, amplifying reach and impact in a competitive landscape. 2. Building brand authority. Creating high-quality, informative content positions you as an authority in your industry. When potential customers see your brand consistently delivering valuable insights, they are more likely to trust your expertise. This trust can lead to customer loyalty, increased sales, and referrals. Establishing authority involves researching industry trends, answering common questions, and providing solutions that resonate with your audience. Ultimately, a strong authoritative presence can differentiate your brand in a crowded market. 3. Driving organic traffic. Content marketing is a powerful tool for driving organic traffic to your website. By optimizing your content for search engines, SEO, you can improve your visibility in search results, attracting more visitors. This involves using relevant keywords, creating engaging headlines, and ensuring your content is informative and shareable. The more valuable your content, the higher the chances of it being linked to and shared, further boosting your visibility. 4. Enhancing customer engagement. Engaging content fosters interaction and connection with your audience. This can include comments on blog posts, shares on social media, and discussions in forums. Engaging with your audience not only builds community, but also provides valuable feedback, helping you refine your content strategy. Encourage dialogue through questions, polls, and interactive content to keep your audience engaged and invested in your brand. 5. Leveraging social media. Social media platforms are powerful channels for distributing content. By sharing your content across various social media platforms, you can reach a broader audience and drive traffic back to your website. Tailoring your content for each platform is essential. For instance, use visuals for Instagram, concise messages for Twitter, and professional articles for LinkedIn. Social media also allows for real-time interaction, enhancing customer relationships. Additionally, leveraging analytics tools on these platforms can help you track engagement and refine your strategy based on audience preferences and behavior. This data-driven approach enables you to optimize your content, ensuring it resonates with your audience and increases your overall reach and impact. 6. Utilizing email marketing. Utilizing email marketing is an essential component of a comprehensive content marketing strategy, as it allows businesses to connect with their audience on a more personal level. By delivering personalized content directly to subscribers' inboxes, email marketing fosters a sense of intimacy and relevance that can be challenging to achieve through other channels. Building an email list is crucial, as it provides a valuable asset for nurturing leads and maintaining ongoing communication with your audience. Regularly sharing valuable content, promotions, and updates helps keep your brand top of mind and encourages engagement over time. One of the most effective ways to enhance the impact of email marketing is through audience segmentation. By categorizing your subscribers based on their interests, behaviors, and demographics, you can tailor your campaigns to resonate more deeply with specific groups. Monetization strategies. Monetization strategies are vital for turning content marketing efforts into tangible revenue streams, and there are several effective methods that businesses can employ. One of the most popular strategies is affiliate marketing, where content creators promote third-party products or services within their content, earning a commission for every sale made through their referral links. This approach not only adds value to the audience by recommending relevant products, but also allows content creators to generate income passively as their audience engages with the promoted items. Successful affiliate marketing relies on building trust and credibility. Audiences are more likely to make purchases based on recommendations from trusted sources. Another effective strategy is sponsored content, which involves partnering with brands to create content that features their products or services. 8. Measuring success. Measuring success is a fundamental aspect of maximizing the potential of content marketing, as it allows businesses to evaluate the effectiveness of their strategies and make data-driven decisions. By utilizing analytics, marketers can identify key performance indicators, KPIs, that offer valuable insights into their content's performance. Metrics such as website traffic indicate how many users are engaging with your content, while conversion rates reveal how effectively that content is turning visitors into leads or customers. Engagement metrics, like social media shares, comments, and time spent on a page, provide a deeper understanding of how well your content resonates with your audience. Tools like Google Analytics play a crucial role in tracking these metrics, offering a comprehensive overview of user behavior and interaction with your content across various platforms. Additionally, social media analytics can provide insights into audience demographics, engagement rates, and content reach, enabling marketers to understand which platforms are most effective for their specific audience. Adapting to trends. Adapting to trends is crucial for the success of any content marketing strategy, especially in today's fast-paced digital landscape. The way consumers interact with content is continually changing, influenced by advancements in technology and shifting preferences. Understanding these shifts in consumer behavior is essential for tailoring content to meet the evolving needs and interests of your audience. For instance, the rise of mobile usage has transformed how people access content, making it imperative for marketers to optimize their materials for mobile platforms. Additionally, emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, augmented reality, and voice search are reshaping the way content is created, distributed, and consumed. 10. Long-term investment. Content marketing should be viewed as a long-term investment rather than a short-term solution for generating income. Unlike traditional advertising methods that may yield immediate results, the benefits of content marketing accumulate over time. Building a loyal audience requires consistent effort, quality content, and a genuine commitment to addressing the needs and interests of your target market. This process fosters trust and establishes your brand as an authority in your industry, which is essential for attracting and retaining customers. The beauty of content marketing lies in its compounding effect. High-quality content can continue to drive traffic and generate leads long after it is published. Each blog post, video, or social media update serves as a touchpoint that can attract new visitors, create engagement, and encourage sharing. If you find our videos helpful, don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit the like button to support our channel.